Yo, what it do? It is me, SPACETATUM, Space Tato. All right, in today's program, we are doing a name, height, and weight of a person in C#. This is a beginner level program or a project, so let's go ahead and go to the compiler. All right, so starting off this program or project, you will need to go to the compiler. So I usually choose online GDB, and then I usually have to change it from Java to C#. So let's go ahead and do that. But go ahead and get rid of all this right here as well. And like I said in the last video, these can be named anything. So today that we know that we're reading a name, the height and the weight of a person, so we can go and change this to a person details. And you know me, I like my stuff to be formatted right. The strings with the array brackets. Then we have arguments, which is short for args. And let me move the mic closer so y'all can hear me just a little better. And also scroll up the program. All right. So starting off, we're going to prompt the user to enter the name, the height, and the weight. So how we do that is, so first the name. So we have console.writeLine. So in here we need, we could be nice. Please enter your name. Easy. And then we're going to, like I said, remember last time, this is basically CN to C# and console.writeLine is C out. So we will go here. We initialize it to a string because we're reading a name. And we're going to name a name. I want to set it to console.read line with the open parentheses and close. And then we're going to do the same thing for the height and the weight, but these are doubles. So for the doubles, we have to, it would be dot to double. So it would be convert dot to double. So it's basically we're telling the compiler to convert it to a double. So console.write line, please. And we're gonna have the height in meters and then the weight in kilograms. So please enter. And always use camel case. I feel like it makes your output just look a little bit better. Please enter the height. And we can say like in meters so they know. And then close it as well so it doesn't take the wrong one. Let me close this. And then we have, so remember I said this is a double. So double equals, we can call this height. We can set this, it's supposed to be double height. And double height, and then equals, remember I said convert dot to double, and then we can put console dot read line in here and end it with a semicolon. And we're gonna do the same thing for the weight, but remember in weight we're using kilograms. So console dot write line, please enter the weight of, please enter the weight in kilograms. So yeah. Here. And then please enter, let's not say the height, let's say your height. And then your weight in kilograms, sorry. And we have double. And we have weight, which equals convert dot to a double, and we got a console dot read line. Simple. So now we're just going to go back and just display it at the end. And so how we display it, we're just basically just recalling it. So console dot write line. And we can say, let's do next line, or \n, which is short for next line. We can say name this, and this is all just for functionality at this point. And we can say plus name, because the program was finished right here. We could have finished it, but I'm just adding this just to display it. And then we have console dot write line, and then we're not going to next line this one. We can say height, and we can say plus height, oh, it's not even typing no more. So plus height, and then remember we did height, so so right now we're referring to this one. So on the first console dot write line, we're referring to the top one, which is this one, and it's going to print out what they gave us. And then the second one, exactly the same. We're looking for the height, so we should call height. But then in this case, we're doing meters, so you also want to let the output know that we're doing meters. So just like that. And never forget to use that semicolon. And then console dot write line again, and this time we're doing it for the weight. So weight line, and then weight, and make sure you spread it out like this, so at the end, whenever it types in, it's not all bunched up together. It gives them room, so you actually have room to actually put it out, and it looks nice. So you can do plus weight. Let's just use intelligence, and then plus, and we did kilometers, so kilograms. I'm sorry, kilograms. And then yes, so we also need console dot read line. This is nothing. It's just there to help the execution process. So as you see, we have our person details as our class declaration. And then we have our first prompting the user to enter the name, our second one to enter your height, our third one to enter your weight, and then it should display all of those on the next 3 lines, and then it should end the program. So let's see. So it says we have a error. Let's see what the error is. It says that we're using a capital somewhere. So at the bottom of the display, we see that we're using a capital. And right here, we use the lowercase, so we can just change that quick fix. So as you see, the program ran. It says enter your name, so we can enter your name. You can enter your first name and your last name if you want to. So, and then enter your height. Well, yeah, enter your height in meters. So you can say like 0.3322. I believe that's 5'11". And then your weight, 220. That's around 100 kilograms. And then, like I said, so you see how it's kind of like bunched up at the end. So I spaced it out for the height and weight at the beginning, but I didn't do it for the meters where at the bottom. Let me see right here. So I have to actually come back in. So let me stop the program and space this out right here. It's quick fix. So enter your name. We can do it again. Ryan. We say Lawson. And then enter your height. You can say 0.3322. And then enter your weight, 100 kilograms. And then see how it's spaced out. It looks real nice. And again, thanks for watching the video with me, SPACETATUM. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Are we out?